Imagine you are standing in the middle of a vast forest, surrounded by ancient trees. Suddenly, giant warriors appeared, quickly handling all problems. The automatic systems continue to work, helping the forest become neat and clear. Don't forget to click register to start your journey of discovery. This is a Beano beaver with shiny brown fur and bright eyes. Do you know what Uncle Beano is planning? It turns out that Beano decided to build a solid dam to protect the nest and create a lake for the animals. A plant-powered machine arrived at a tree on the bank of a stream in Saskatoon and quickly chewed through the tree in just 10 minutes. With his ingenuity, Beano knocked down the tree and started building the project, turning the idea into reality. Today, Mr. John stood in front of large trees blocking the way. Instead of worrying, he pulled out the Dipper Fox SC850 Pro, and in just a few seconds, the machine cut through tree stumps like bamboo. Min was surprised by its power and wondered, what else can this machine do? The road quickly becomes clear, opening up exciting new possibilities. Wow! The most powerful and modern old stump removal process I have ever seen. Be prepared and pay close attention as two trucks carrying logs are speeding downhill. Make sure to control your speed and keep a close eye on the road ahead to handle any unexpected situations. Johann Offner, Holz Industry, a long-standing family-owned company in Austria, specializes in sustainable wood processing with modern CNC technology. They turn thick wooden panels into precise and sophisticated details, especially thick wood, which requires high technical specifications. Their products not only meet technical standards, but also have natural beauty, warmth, and luxury. In a rural village, Mr. Wones, a legendary farmer, created cassava tubers that made the whole world stop and admire. Every day, he not only put his hands to work, but also asked himself, who will dare to try growing cassava like me? And then, when the harvest season came, the large, round, golden cassava roots made the merchants who came to buy them admire them, even thinking that Mr. Wones was the inventor of cassava. The businessman realized that it was not money, but his passion and talent that made the difference. The question is it true that in every profession, only people like Mr. Wones truly reach the top? Difficult terrain cannot stop the 6x6 logging truck equipped with a Nissan Diesel V10 engine that provides outstanding stability and power. Designed to easily negotiate muddy roads, the 6x6 powertrain helps the vehicle overcome any challenge with amazing ease. In a rare scene, Mr. Mikata, one of Japan's last traditional loggers, conquers the Tono forests with his horse. With many years of experience, Mr. Mikata continues the tradition of logging by horse in the quiet space of the forest. The sound of the axe echoes. The precious moment recreates the time when humans and animals work together. Mibor HTZ 1300 Plus is a speed monster in the saw world with sharp saw blades and dizzying rotation speed, helping to turn rough logs into smooth boards in a snap. This machine not only doubles or triples productivity compared to other machines, but also ensures absolute accuracy and minimizes waste. How can sturdy round logs be split into such evenly cut pieces of wood? The secret lies in the machine Malchus Scaldatage, a powerful tool in the wood processing industry. With hydraulic power of up to 22 tons, the machine easily cuts wood into pieces of uniform size, saving significant time and effort compared to using an axe or hammer. From there, improve production efficiency. It is true that transporting timber through winding roads and mountainous terrain is difficult, but a skilled driver and a sturdy truck will help manage this difficult route. Let's imagine a dance between steel and wood, where strength and precision blend together. That is the 600 horsepower Volvo FH16 combined with a Faymanville trailer and an Epsilon crane. The Epsilon crane stretched out like a giant arm, lifting the massive logs with millimeter precision, while the Faymanville tow truck patiently carried them to their new destination. Every move is meticulously calculated, delivering a perfect display of technology and control skills. Are you curious about the secret behind this combination? It's admirable that the MS-881 with its 67-inch saw bar is like a steel monster, ripping tough logs into tiny pieces. The 8.7 horsepower engine roared, releasing streams of hot air, carrying flying wood chips. Each time the saw blade cuts through the wood, it makes a sharp hissing sound, making people shudder. No piece of wood is strong enough to withstand the devastating power of this chainsaw. Since then, logging has become easier and more effective than ever. Are you cleaning up small pieces of wood, scraps, or leftovers from the woodworking process, like shredded wood, damaged wood, or wood that doesn't meet quality requirements? With the CBI 6400 CT demonstrating the VEVAVE processor, everything becomes simple. With just a few quick steps, they were crushed unexpectedly. The Alat Kupas Kayu machine is a revolution in the woodworking industry. With the ability to peel wood quickly and accurately, the machine helps save time and production costs significantly. Super sharp cutting blades and modern cooling system ensure product quality is always stable, even during intense work. Whether the wood is hard or soft, the machine handles it with ease. Are you looking for solutions to improve productivity and quality of wood products? The Alat Kupas Kayu machine is the perfect answer. What do you think about this video? Please share now in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support me in making more great videos. See you soon!